Good afternoon, September the 14th, 2015. Time to recap the day's trading. Well, we came in wanting to sell 55s to 60s. We lowered it then to 50 to 55, then 45 to 50. I mean, three adjustments down. And we had hoped to buy, we started off wanting to buy 40s to 45s, was buy one. Then 30 to 35 for buy two, and we didn't quite get there. Three trades came together right here. Mean green, retest failure, red on red trade, 10-minute chart. So there was three, and that really was the trade of the day. And it gave you, depending on how you took the trade, if you were in breaking that bar's low, you were short at the 1950 area, and we traded down to 38. So there was 10 points plus for you, and we expect on the red on red to make 7 to 10. If you didn't take that first one, we were waiting for some retracement, didn't get it. It was just straight down, and so this quite often happens right out of the chutes. So that was a plus. These trades right here, small winners. This S right here, a scratch. Mean green retest failure trade right here. Make a little. S, make some. Retest failure trade right here. Make a little. This B right here, make a little. So it was kind of choppy. So this first trade of the day when we come in is a trade that can really move the market now. So today, pretty good trading. Mean green trade right here. We talked through this one. That was a scratch. Off of this S right here, another 1 to 2 points. This one was, you could have made 7 ticks on that trade if you'd exited it perfectly. So got pretty choppy as the day progressed. Tomorrow is a big news day. We've got news that can move the market. If we look at the F1 screen, higher low, higher high, we can be buyers, or we can sell failure to take out 1960 and hold that level. At the F2 screen, definitely a B. This one favors, a retest of the day's low, or this 28 to 30 area. So if the market were to close right here, we'd be trying to sell 45s to 50s, sell one, and 55s to 60s, sell two. On the buy side, 30 to 35, and then 20 to 25 for buy two. Okay, lot of news tomorrow. Retail sales plus 0.3. Ex-auto plus 0.2. These numbers come in equal to this or higher, the Fed can raise interest rates. Empire State Manufacturing survey minus 0.5. Industrial production looking for minus 0.2. Capacity utilization, nobody pays any attention to that. 77.8. And business inventory is only up 0.1. Normally that one's been coming in plus 0.3 or 0.4. So retail sales ex autos plus 0.2, industrial production minus 0.2. They both come in that way. Could wash. So that's what the news is tomorrow, and it is significant news. Okay, looking at the note. Really very quiet trading today. Selling in the knob spread helped that. They got stops above that M period high right there, but this one says we can trade higher tomorrow. Looking at the F2 screen, a P, we can sell failure to take out the 20 to 24 area, and we can also buy against 12. So right in here, we're going to sell failure to take out 22, 26. And we'll sell 31s to 03s. On the buy side, I'm going to keep it 9 to 13. I think we got a chance to bring it down. If the E-mini sells this afternoon, we're going to have to put a 17 up. And then 1 to 5 for buy 2. Again, I'm looking for trading range markets till the Fed speaks. And Fitz brought up a good point, the credibility of the Fed. What if they don't raise interest rates? I would think that most people out there would say if they don't raise interest rates, it was prudent given what's going on economically around the globe. But that would remain to be seen, of course. Okay, last rotate up was 55.01, then 55.06, then 55.14, and we're at 31 right now. So we're going to sell failure to take out 4 to 8. And if the mini rallies back, it'll take 31s to get off a short, then 15 to 19. On the buy side, we got the bottom of value down here, 25. So 25, 21 buy 1. And then 9 to 13 buy 2. Looking at gold, inside day trading range, FOMC meeting. I think that's probably what we'll see tomorrow. Got a seller 8 to 10. I've had a buyer below 5, so pretty much where we've been. We're trying to buy it a little cheaper, so 3 to 5 buy 1. Then 11.01, 10.99 buy 2. And looking at crude, I think crude's under some pretty good pressure. It doesn't happen on a day-to-day basis, but I do think that we've got a seller operating, and we have an inside day trading range, so the profile is going to show to get short. See if we can take out this 43, 43 and a quarter area. So volume-wise, it's leaning B. Put all this together, you can see it's a pretty square distribution. So get short, see if we can't bust it. If we can't bust it, we can trade from the long side. So stops beneath that, stops beneath the E over here. So 43 and a quarter, 43.50 buy 1. and then 275.43 even buy 2. On the sell side, 44 1/4, 44.50, and 44.75.45 sell 2. And last but not least, the euro. We had a seller at 114 and a buyer at 113 today. 100 tick range. And higher low, higher high, but a very weak close. And the euro was up overnight because of what could happen in China, and then it sold when China raised their official rate 4 pips for the yuan, or however you pronounce it. So we have a P put in backwards, which means short covering. So 1300, 1310 buy 1, buy 2 will be 75 plus or minus. On the sell side, 1350 to 60. Then get through that area, 1375.85, and we're inside today's numbers. This market should try to trade higher first in London. And that's it for September the 14th, 2015. I'll see y'all bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening, and we'll get out there and we'll try to shake the money tree again tomorrow. I'm out of here.